Hi everyone, welcome to IQ School Zone channel. Now we are going to solve some problems related to pair of equations in which these are not linear form. We convert these equations into linear form and then we solve the equations. We can solve the equations by using two methods as we discussed in the earlier classes. Equations can be solved in two methods. One is substitution method, the another one is elimination method. So we can use any of these two methods for solving these problems. Before solving these problems, these equations are not in linear form. First what we have to do is convert these equations into linear form, then we can solve by using either substitution method or elimination method. For that purpose, what I do is 5 by x minus 1, let 1 by x minus 1 is equal to a. I am taking 1 by x minus 1 as a. Similarly, 1 by y minus 2 as b. Now I substitute these two values here. 5, 1 by x minus a is a, plus 1 by y minus 2 is b, is equal to 2. Let us suppose this is equation 1. Next is 6. 1 by x minus 1 is taken as a plus, not plus here, minus 3. 1 by y minus 2 is taken as b, 3b is equal to 1. Now we got two equations. These two equations are in linear form. See, first variable, second variable, two variables, and the highest power is 1. These are called as linear equations, pair of linear equations in two variables. We can solve this by using either substitution method or elimination method, whichever is easy here. Here we got 3b, here 1b. So what I do is multiply first equation with 3. 3 5s are 15a, 3 into b, 3b is equal to 3 2s are 6. And I am writing second equation as it is. 6a minus 3b is equal to 1. Here we got 3b, 3b plus 3b minus 3b. Adding these two equations, plus 3b minus 3b gets cancelled. 15 plus 6 is 21a is equal to 6 plus 1, 7. A is equal to 7 by 21. So A is equal to 7 by 21. 7 1s are, 7 3s are gets cancelled. A is equal to 1 by 3. We got one value A. Now I need to get B also. Now substitute A value either in first equation or in second equation. It's your wish to substitute in first equation or second equation. Let us substitute in first equation. 5a plus b is equal to 2. First equation is 5a plus b. 5a plus b is equal to 2. Or you can substitute in second equation also. Second equation is much easier than first equation. See here, 6a, 6 into 1 by 3. 3 1s, 3 2s gets cancelled. But both you get same answer only, no change in the answer. Let us substitute in first equation itself. 5 into a value is how much? 1 by 3. 5 into 1 by 3 is 5 by 3 plus b is equal to 2. Then we get b is equal to 2 plus 5 by 3 becomes minus 5 by 3. 3 2s are 6 minus 5 by 3, which is equal to 1 by 3. 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 5 is 1. 1 by 3. We got a value 1 by 3 and b value is also same 1 by 3. But what is a? A is 1 by x minus 1. A is equal to 1 by 3. B is also 1 by 3. But a is 1 by x minus 1 is equal to 1 by 3. And what is b? 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 1 by 3. Now you cross multiply here. X minus 1 1s are, x minus 1 is equal to 3. y minus 2 ones are y minus 2 is equal to 3 ones 3. X is equal to minus 1 becomes plus 1. X is equal to 3 plus 1 and y is equal to 3 plus 2. 3 plus 1 is 4 and y is equal to 3 plus 2 is 5. X is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5 is the solution of given pair of equations. So this is the way we find solution for pair of equations which are not in linear form. These are not in linear form. First, what we are doing here? We are making this one into linear form. How we are making this one into linear form? The fractional part is taken as some a and one more fractional part is here, that is taken as b. Then we get an equation which is in linear form, first equation and second equation. After solving these two equations, I get the values of a and b. But what is a here? 1 by x minus 1. B is 1 by y minus 2. If I do cross multiplication and find the value of x and y, x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5 is the final answer, which is the solution of the given pair of equations. I am going to solve one more problem like this, same as the previous question. Solve these equations by reducing these equations to a pair of linear equations. The same procedure here. What is in the denominator here? Root x. The denominator is root y. Let 1 by root x is equal to some a and 1 by root y is equal to some b. Let us take the denominator, that is fractional part, as a and b. Now we substitute these two here. 2 into 1 by root x is a plus 3 into 1 by root y is b is equal to 2. Suppose this is equation 1. Next, 4 by root x, 4a minus 9b is equal to minus 1. Suppose this is equation 2. Now we got two equations. We are going to solve these two equations by using any of the methods. Previously we solved by using elimination method, because elimination methods are very easy to do than substitution methods. Or we can do substitution method also. No change in answer. Whether you do by elimination method or by substitution method, you get the same answer. Now see here, this is 2a and this is 4a, or here 3b, 9b. If I multiply with 3 here, it becomes 3 3s are 9. Here also you get 9. I am multiplying the first equation with 3. Multiply the first equation with 3, you get 3 2s are 6a, 3 3s are 9b, 3 2s are 6. Multiplying the whole first equation with 3. And writing the second equation as it is. 4a minus 9b is equal to minus 1. I am adding these two equations so that 9b gets cancelled. 6 plus 4 is 10a, 6 minus 1 is 5. A is equal to 5 by 10. 5 ones are 5 twos are. I got the value of A as 1 by 2. A is equal to 1 by 2. I need to find out the value of B also here. Where you need to substitute here? You can substitute either in first equation or in second equation. It's our wish. Let us substitute in first equation. What is the first equation? First equation is 2 into A. What is A? 1 by 2. Plus 3B is equal to 2. Now 2 gets cancelled. 3b is equal to 2 plus 1 becomes minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. B is equal to 1 by 3. I got the two values A and B. A is equal to 1 by 2 and B is equal to 1 by 3. But what is A? What is A here? 1 by root x. 1 by root x is equal to 1 by 2. And what is B? 1 by root y is equal to 1 by 3. Very simple. It looks like a long problem, but it's very simple. We are considering the denominator part as A 1 by denominator part, 1 by the second denominator part as b, so that these two equations will be in linear form, linear pair of linear equation form. We solved this by elimination method, and I found a as 1 by 2 and b as 1 by 3, but a is 1 by root x and b is 1 by root y. I substituted here and I do cross multiplication. Root x ones are root x is equal to 2 ones are 2, and root y ones are root y is equal to 3 ones are 3. So here root x is there. So what I need to do is squaring on both sides. For removing square root, I am squaring on both sides. Root x whole square is equal to 2 square, and root y whole square is equal to 3 square. Square root gets cancelled, x is equal to 4. Here also square root gets cancelled, x is equal to 3 3s are 9. 2 2s are 4 and 3 3s are 9. Is the solution of the given pair of equations. This is the way to find out the pair of linear equations solution or pair of equation solution by reducing the equations to linear form. I think you understood this. Very easy concept. Reducing to pair of linear equations and solving the problem by elimination method or substitution method. Then we get the final answer which is related to the given pair of equations.